Because in love, the opposition either comes from an outside force.
Hello, this is Manisha from Blockbuster. Hi, Tabu.
Yeah.
Hi. How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Fine, thanks. Acha, I just wanted to ask you whether your role has shades of grey in the film. And since, as a tormentor, do you come in the way of the romantic couple in their, this thing, you know?
Well, you'll have to see the film to, for you to understand what her participation is in the story. But consciously or unconsciously, she has a role to play in their love story also.
अच्छा, आप तीनों से मेरा सवाल है कि आप तीनों के जीवन में कौन सा फितुर सर चढ़ के बोलता है? Start with Katrina. Katrina? फितुर? Okay, Tabu, start with Tabu.
अगर होता तो अब तक कुछ हो चुका होता ना?
आदित्य?
This film, nothing else.
ऐसा थोड़ी ये फिल्म तो अभी आई है.
हाँ तो. But I've been working on it for 1.5 years now.
नहीं, उसके पहले?
उसके पहले दावत इश्क थी. उसके पहले आशिकी.
माने फिल्मी फितुर था.
Correct. Only.
Okay. Katrina?
Abhishek?
Katrina, answer.
Oh, I don't have an answer right now.
What kind of fitur keeps on your mind always, like, you know? It must have been there.
इनको काम का जुनून है वैसे. अगर आप इनको सेट पे देखेंगी तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि सबसे ज़्यादा फितूर इन्हीं को है कि जिस तरीके से ये काम करती हैं और जितने डेडिकेशन से ये काम करती हैं, सुनती हैं और करती हैं, इन्हें काम का फितूर बिल्कुल है.
I agree. I must say, Katrina is the most hardworking actress I've ever met, I have ever seen and worked with. We had only 3 days of shooting, but the involvement with which she works was amazing.
We'll take
just
the last.
Amazing.
Katrina, a question for you here. The film obviously talks about, you know, the difficulty in two people uniting. As a star, as a top star, what do you think is the most difficult thing when you're in love?
It depends who you're in love with. Because in love, the opposition either comes from an outside force or it comes from the person you're in love with. So I think every relationship and every love story has its own conflict and has a different conflict. Sometimes it can be the conflict of as I said, a third party. It can be the conflict of uncertainty. It can be the conflict of afraid of commitment. It can be so many conflicts. So I think it really does just depend who you're in love with.
Encounters that you could relate to in your character?
Sorry?
Any encounters that you could relate to in your character vis-a-vis your own life? Because that's what an actor derives from, right?
I think yes, but I think also there's probably, it's not that you literally translate everything from your own life onto film, but I think you can use moments of pain in your life to depict that, you know, if you need to show that in a film, or moments of happiness, moments of great love you felt, great sorrow. You can use those moments, but it doesn't necessarily mean that it has to be exactly the same circumstance.
Abhishek here, slightly towards your left. Here. Abhishek, there is a steamy kiss that Katrina shares with Aditya, and given the kind of sanskari
Who said that? Who said that?
So there is nothing?
Nothing like that.
You know, given the kind of censor board that we have in place today, do you expect any troubles when it comes to getting the film certified?
No, I'm not expecting any kind of troubles. I've not done anything wrong. I'm making a movie. It's about love, you know, and I'm not going to anticipate something that I don't perceive should exist. So keep the negativity away.
Also, there were reports that Ajay Devgan would be playing a cameo in the movie. Is it true? Is it not true? Anything that you would like to say?
I wouldn't comment on that either.
Katrina, I have a question for you. The film is releasing on Feb 12th. Feb 14th is Valentine's. What would your plans be this time around with Ranbir?
You'll be promoting with me, Katrina, on that day.
Feb 14th, I'll be gone from your life. It'll be Feb 12th. I'll be like, nice to know you. It's great knowing you. Bye bye.
This holiday she's definitely taking.
Feb 14th. I hope and I pray that we are all very happy in our own spaces and celebrating and have got a wonderful reaction for the film. That's what I hope I'm doing.
Mark my words, promoting.
Feb 12th को film लगेगी. Feb 14th को इनके घर के बाहर line लग जाएगी लड़कियों की, तो you should not have a problem at all.
No, that's a good idea.